Welcome to the How to Import Media tutorial. Today you will learn how to import media into your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. How can I see my media? 2. Where can I import media? And 3. Media tips. Topic 1. How can I see my media? You can see your media through the media library via the dashboard. You can see your media when you are using a widget that requires media to be uploaded or chosen. Topic 2. Where can I import media? You can import media while you're in the editor and select a widget that uses media. You can also import media through the media library via the dashboard. Click Add New when you are within the media library. Drop files to upload them, or drag them here, or select files to browse from your computer. Topic 3. Media tips. Try to keep imported media files small in size to ensure that your website runs as fast as possible. Delete media you're not using on your website to reduce website storage and inode usage. You've now learned how to import media to your website.